So I'm just heading off to work. I got to unload this trailer of hard fill, so I just do that and then head off to work, I guess. Big day of tie and steel. Not really a big day, it's just going to be an early morning. But yeah, set you up and you can watch me unload this stuff, I guess. As that moves, so I guess I'll set you out behind and we'll go and unload this trailer. Sweet, well that's the first job done. I'll jump back in the truck and head off to work now, I guess. Oh, what an effort, pretty tired now. Just gotta open the gate. Right, close the gate, jump back in the truck, head to work. So that's us done for the morning. Tied the mesh, put all the mesh chairs in. It's looking good. Ready for the exposed ag Monday, I believe. Sweet, so all done for the morning. It was just a quick Saturday morning get it done job. So we tied the mesh off and put the mesh chairs down and straightened a little bit of boxing. So that's us done for the day here. I'll head home now and yeah, go sort out my driveway. Put all that compact fill down and spread it out a bit and make it look good. Sweet, let's go home. Alright, so going to try to get this tractor started. I haven't started it for quite a while, probably a few months now, so I'll unlock the container and grab the battery out, then we'll go chuck it in the tractor. I've had this battery on charge for probably good, I don't know, three days now, so hopefully I should chuck the battery in and fire it up and hopefully she'll start. It is a 1958 Nuffield tractor, so she's pretty old, but it's a good old trusty Nuffy. This old tractor's so old school that the earth is actually the positive. We'll give it a go, see if it starts. That's a bit of a problem. Yeah, I don't really know. I might have to try and jump start it off one of the other cars, but like I say, it hasn't been started in months, so it's probably going to be a bit of a pain to start. So these old tractors have quite a modern problem where, you know, if you don't have fuel in them, they don't run very well. So just shoot down to the petrol station, go grab some fuel, and then yeah, should be good to go. Go find the fuel can. Pretty sure I left it outside. Hey, look at that, sitting in the grass, and it's empty. Sweet, so we just went and got the gas. So I guess we'll go and chuck that in the tractor now, and then hopefully the thing starts. They do generally start better when they have fuel, so it's probably a good start. Sweet, so there's fuel in it now. I'll take you around the side and show you the we got fuel in the fuel bowl. There's a fuel bowl. We actually have fuel sitting in there now, so that's probably a good sign. Alright, well I'll jump on the tractor and see if we can get started. Oh, I think the battery's a bit dead, so I might have to wait till the wife gets home and jump start it. Of course, my jumper cables are in the wife's car, so she's gone shopping, so we're gonna have to wait until she gets back. Okay. It wants to start. What?
It was so close.
Yeah, it was so close, buddy. You're right.
Oh, you found
That's good. It seems to work. Here's the setup. Alright, sweet, so the tractor's running. We'll just let the tractor warm up for a bit first, and then I'll take it over to the water. I'll go find where the hose is. We've got about 60 metres of hose here, just to get over to where the pigs and things are, so I'll just wander over there now. We've got all the chickens coming for a walk. Pretty funny. Go over here and we'll go find the hose. There's the hose. Ah, there it is there. Let's see the pigs. Hey piggies! Hey boys! What you doing? They're cooney pigs. They're pretty funny pigs. They got the hose. Go back over to the tractor and jump on it, take it for a ride. Been a while, we haven't had many nice days. Well, the nice days lately that we've had, I've been building CNC machines, so. Right, it's gonna get a bit loud. Montage time. We're driving the tractor. Woo! Right, well that's old Nuffy filled up with water, so go to the driveway. Oh, that's good. Tractor's a lot happier with some water in. Amazing what a bit of water and fuel will do for the old tractor. So the job for the tractor now is we're gonna try and flatten all of this out. So this is all just AP40 from a job. So I'm gonna try and make it all flat, I guess. This is really not the machine to be doing this with. Probably need a digger. Oh, that's the end of that. I think it's got some carburetor problems, so that can be for another day. So yeah, it was eventful. Tractor worked for a bit and now it doesn't. Alright, so we're going to do a little bit of work on the shed. I haven't done anything on this for probably a good year. So I started a business 18th of January last year and just haven't had any time or sort of work on the shed, so I'll chuck some girt plates and things on and yeah, make her, you know, do something. Just putting some of the girt plates on. I'll show you how I put them on. So I've set up the string line at the height that I need, and I sort of just bend that around the pole, put my screw in there, and I just sit my ruler on top, line it up with the string line, level with my eye. Weight on. Easy as that. Sweet, oh well, that's the first row of girts on, so we'll do the rest tomorrow. It's getting a bit dark.